Old King Cooper Rush.
Yeah.
But no, we put his ass on.
Yeah. Well,
And did some of them.
well, I just want to see.
He got to improve for us.
I don't think we're gonna never get a chance to see what Dak really got in it.
Well,
Because
we
I
should
think-
now.
I
Because the
think-
defense really
I
gonna
think-
cut some slack on him.
Yeah, Dak got to know how to read defense. He got to know how to he got to know how to fake defense. He got to know how to read defense. I'm sorry, you got to read that quickly. You can't shut up there and think about it. You got to read that quickly.
Quickly.
Yeah, you got to read quickly when you backing up with that football in your hand.
See, hot potato.
Yeah, man. You got these days.
Hot potato.
You got these days. Everybody trying to get you.
They do say it.
Yeah, so you got to be thinking what to do with the football. That's what I'm saying. He got that kid got to be where he know he's a big game player. He got to play.
Yep.
Cause that's what he missing. He missing being a good player when it really counts.
Really count.
Yeah, when it counts, he miss being a good player. Cowboys think he kicked in the ass and let it see, he quit this. Mike, I ain't seen.
You might did slap him then, James. You just didn't slap his ass for real. So you sure you might did slap his ass. Yeah, but I don't think Cowboys come on with it. Yeah, man. Come on, Cowboys. They say that. Hey.
Cowboys. We know it. Yeah, them Cowboys gonna be something this year.
That's what I'm talking about.
They're gonna be something ready with this year.